How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your SteelSeries Arctic Nova Pro 5X to your Xbox. Now, doing this is extremely simple. Basically, off the box, you will get this USB dongle. This is the thing that we have to use in order to connect it with our Xbox. So basically, you want to navigate through your console, and then at the back, it will look something like this. Basically, for consoles, we have something like the USB port, and in most cases, or for the advanced ones, there's going to be the Type-C port. Once again, you want to get the USB dongle, which is going to be this one, and you want to make sure to plug it onto the console itself if it's available. But if you're using the older generations of Xbox, what you can do is to simply use the USB to USB-C port. So to do this, just plug the USB onto the normal USB ports, and then you want to plug the Type-C onto the back of our USB converter, and basically from there you will be able to connect with the Xbox console itself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.